I hope you're ready for some good news because today's video has a lot of it. The fact that Shiba Inu prices look good to be the biggest. So much progress has been made on the token in such a short time that some would say it is on its way to recovery. But we'll let you decide after watching this video. Hi Shib Army, I'm glad you're back on the channel. First-time viewing people are also welcome. You'll feel comfortable here if you're looking for a place to get regular updates on Shiba Inus and a bunch of general crypto news. Just be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a new upload. Now let's watch the video for today. Jump straight. It is no longer news that the Shiba Inu has hit new lows in the past few weeks. The drop was so small that an extra zero was added, making it difficult for the Shiba Inu to reach their $1 goal. But things have improved over the past week. It all started when whales bought billions of grizzlies, causing the price to go up a lot. Then a few days ago the token price jumped 30% in just 12 hours. It is believed that this is due to the announcement of a public bandit test network in Shibarium. This sent SHIB prices up by a staggering 53% in just 7 days. When you think about it, this is pretty amazing. The fact that the price of the SHIB has been staying so high for a week must mean it's really getting better, right? Even better, the value of the token has increased by 10% each day for the last 30 days. We thank you for your patience and support. Since yesterday was the 26th, that must mean that the Grey Burn rewards will be distributed between tomorrow and the day after. Whether people were burning chip regularly because of these bonuses or just because they love the project, it's a good thing they were doing it. Shiba Inu burned about 8 billion chips in just 24 hours, bringing the token closer to a more valuable amount. It's hard to say what will happen to the Shiba Inu this week, but if the past week is any indication, it may be on the way to recovery and doing it better than most other cryptocurrencies right now. Now let's try to reach more people so that everyone knows that this is the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. But the largest blockchain project is Ethereum. This is because the Ethereum platform is very flexible, which is attractive to both developers and investors. Right now, Ethereum is the blockchain platform with the most DeFi and smart contract projects, but it looks like things are going to change. During the complete cryptocurrency crash, the value of Ethereum shifted from its value of $159 billion on November 20, 2018, to $48.81 billion on June 2022. This is a significant drop. Some people say this decline is due to people in the industry fearing it will spread. Also, as of June 17, institutions have withdrawn $458 million from Ethereum-based investment funds, which shows that interest in the Ethereum DeFi boom is declining. What does this have to do with the Shiba Inu? Well, could the fact that developers have left the Ethereum blockchain mean that the soon-to-launch Shibarium has a higher chance of success? We don't know for sure why the institutions pulled out, but it could be because transactions on Ethereum are too expensive. This may mean that these venues are looking for a platform that works faster and costs less. But before we talk about that, this channel gives away 100,000 ships every day to people who want to participate in the giveaway. Just subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Did I hit you? Good luck. If it is true that investors and institutions are looking for a faster and cheaper platform, Shibarium will surely be launched into a market that is ready for it. After all, the whole point of Shibarium is to make transactions that are still very secure but faster and cheaper. So Shibarium must give these organizations and developers a place to live. Anyway, what's really strange about the Ethereum price drop is that Bitcoin, which is a less flexible platform, has been doing better during this crypto crisis. Both BTC and ETH prices fell, but the price fell 5% below the BTC price. Also, while investors and institutions have pulled money out of Ethereum, as much as $480 million has gone into Bitcoin over the same time period. However, Cointelegraph said that the BTC crash could happen at the same time as the long slash. The main reason behind the drop in the US dollar market was the Federal Reserve's quantitative tightening, which has recently caused cryptocurrency prices to drop against the US. The dollar, on the other hand, if economic data worsens, the Fed may slow down on its tightening spree. As reported by Global Markets, this could prevent other crypto and Ether assets from falling in the dollar market. One more thing and then we finish that day. Since Bitcoin made its first millionaires a few years ago, many people have tried to get their hands on it in order to become one of the next millionaires or even billionaires. But as Bitcoin became so expensive, reaching $69,000, many people found it hard to buy. Because of this, when the price of the coin fell below $20,000, many small investors took the opportunity to buy as much as they could. Cointelegraph says an additional 13,091 Bitcoin wallet addresses hold at least 1 BTC. Although the number of addresses holding 1 BTC dropped immediately, the crypto community on Reddit continues to welcome new crypto investors who have made their way to becoming a cryptocurrency. Perfect. This means that some investors took advantage of the price drop to buy 1 BTC at once, and others who already hold BTC took advantage of the price drop to add 1 BTC to their holdings. Does anyone in this room also have BTC? If so, did you increase your holdings to $1 BTC? If you don't have any BTC yet, are you planning on getting some? Before you do anything, make sure you do your research and study the market. We have come to the end of this video. Inu Shibarium has many advantages such as faster transactions, lower fees, and faster speeds. But it is important to note that when Shibarium rolls out, transaction fees will be very low. Also, most of these costs will be to burn SHIB tokens based on what the network team told Shibarium will provide a way to burn SHIB tokens. One way to turn a SHIB into a utility token is to reduce the number of SHIBs trading with overboard data. Since the beginning of the network, more than 40% of the SHIB tokens have been burned, but the number of tokens in circulation is still very high, which makes it difficult to use them as utility tokens. SHIB developers want to make sure that Shibarium is one of the most popular networks for making dApps, which are some of the most talked about things in the crypto space. The team working on Shibarium believe it could be used in the metaverse. Metaverse supporters say it is the future of the digital world and a new way to interact on the web. On the other hand, unknown SHIB's developer Kusama says that the launch of Shibarium will happen soon, but won't say when. Kusama has said before that the launch of Shibarium will happen soon. He had been saying the same things over and over for months. When Shibarium comes out, SHIB prices will likely go up,